Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. Today we'll be learning how to use Snapchat. As you can see, my Snapchat is right there on my home page. I'll open the app and you can see I have an option to log in or to sign up. I will be signing up as I don't have an account here. So let's give my first name, Tech Idea, sign up and accept. I will give a birthday. Do remember to give your original date of birth. So this will be my username, techid_21. If I want, I can also change my username. As you can see, the option is given here. Since I am fine with the username that has been offered by Snapchat, I will be continuing. Then we'll give a password. As you can see, it has already been said that my password should be at least 8 characters long. I'll continue as I've given my password. And then you need to give an email address. So I'll be using the email address of Tech Idea. Continue. And then they'll be asking for a mobile number once again for verification. You can skip it. You can also continue if you want to verify it right now. I will be skipping it for now. And then I can choose whether I want to find my friends through my contact details or no. If I click on continue, it will take me to the list where I can add people I may know. I will be skipping it again.
Once you have allowed Snapchat to access your location, camera, files and folders, you will be welcomed to this homepage of Snapchat. You will be able to take picture and video by clicking on this big circle here. You can see there are two options beside this big circle. One is for lenses or filters you can use, and the other one is where you can check the posts that you have done previously, or if you have any picture on your gallery, you can choose from there to upload on your Snapchat. Towards the bottom, we can see there are 5 options. Starting from the left hand side, we have map, chat, scan in between, then stories and spotlight. So first we'll be seeing what is on our left hand side. We have map. Over here you can see location of yourself as well as your friend if location services are on. If not, you'll not be able to see. You can also see what's going on around the globe. For example, Dubai Expo. If you zoom in, you'll be able to see more. You can see whatever is going on around the world. And then you have chat. Here your messages will be stored. And then you have stories on your right hand side. All the stories that you will be uploading and your friends will upload will be stored over here. And then you have spotlight, where random users upload short clips. As you can see, what makes Snapchat so special is that this is the first app which actually brought stories to light. Over here you upload a picture and it will only last for 24 hours. In the middle you can see scan. What it does is it scans your surrounding through front and back camera and suggests you filters and themes that goes on with your environment that you're currently in. And that's how you use Snapchat. I hope these lessons are coming to your use. If you have any queries or any request, do feel free to let us know. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.